Welcome to our channel. How to test a used engine before you install it. Check for free rotation. First thing, grab a breaker bar and rotate the crank manually. It should turn smooth. No grinding, no binding. If it's locked solid, don't buy. Sometimes they sit too long and seize. If you feel uneven spots, that might mean bent valves or a broken ring. Inspect the oil. Pull the dipstick. Wipe it on a clean rag. You want to see normal oil, brown or amber is fine. If it's milky, that's coolant. If it's black and smells burnt, that engine's had a rough life. Also, check for metal flakes. Pull the spark plugs. If one plug's clean and the rest are dark, then the associated cylinder's not firing right. If they're oily, rings or valve seals might be gone. While they're out, shine a light in the holes. You can see if the pistons are clean or carboned up. Compression test. This is the real test. Screw the gauge in each cylinder and crank it over a few times. You're looking for even numbers. Doesn't matter if it's 160 or 180 psi, as long as they're close. If one cylinder's low by 20 or 30%, that's bad compression. Leak down test. If you can, if you've got the gear, run a leak down test. It tells you where pressure is escaping. You'll hear it. Air in the intake means valve issue, exhaust side means bad exhaust valve, bubbles in coolant mean head gasket. Check the coolant ports. Look where the coolant hoses connect. If you see white crust, that's dried antifreeze probably due to a leak. If you see rust inside the ports, that engine sat dry too long. That's internal corrosion, and it'll bite you later. Inspect the exhaust and intake ports. Flip the engine if you can. Look at the exhaust ports, they should be dry and sooty, not wet with oil. If you see oil pooling, that's a valve seal or turbo feed issue. It's small stuff now, but a big mess later once installed. Check the timing components. Pull the cover and look at the timing belt or chain. Cracked belt? Replace it. Chain with slack? Replace the tensioner or guides. Even if it looks fine, I always change it. You're already halfway there, why risk it? Timing failures destroy engines, and you'll regret skipping it. Check sensors and connectors. Look at all the sensors, crank, cam, knock, temp. Make sure none are broken or missing. Connectors shouldn't be corroded or cut. A bad connector can cause misfires or codes once installed. Looking for quality used auto parts? Call us at 888-752-4286 for reliable used engines and transmissions today. Inspect gaskets and seals. Finally, look around every edge, oil pan, valve covers, rear main. If you see oil buildup or wet spots, replace the seals. They'll leak. Always replace valve cover gaskets and front, rear mains before installing. Thank you for watching.